everybody, what's going on? It's Jason here with Upshifting Adventures, and today I'm just going to do a quick video. I need to put some bar risers on the KTM 300 XCW. I'm 6'4", and you know, unfortunately, the thing about buying these expensive high-end bikes is they're kind of made for the average rider. So if you don't fit that category, then you need to start making adjustments to the bike, right? And unfortunately, they cost a little bit of money, but in the end, I think it's all worth it. So at any rate, I've been riding it for a while now, and I do find I'm definitely hunched over the bars a little bit too much, and it just makes it hard to control the bike. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a set of Rox 2-inch risers on, and I think that's gonna help a lot. It's gonna make the bike a lot easier to handle. Okay, so these are the Rox 2-inch bar risers. All right, they actually go into your existing bar clamps that are on the bike. All right, they're anodized aluminum risers, pretty sharp looking. And what they do is they slip into the risers on the bike, and they can adjust forward or backward. So it's really gives your bike a lot of adjustability. It gives the handlebars a lot of adjustability. So the tools we're going to need are very minimal. You're going to need a 5mm Allen key, a 10mm wrench, a 45 or a T50, excuse me, and a T40 for the bar caps. The riser caps, okay? And then actually you'll only need the T50 if you're going to move your bar riser or your handlebar clamps forward or backward. I moved mine forward. And if you're aware of KTM, they have basically 2 holes that you can mount your bar risers in, or your handlebar clamps, I guess you should say. And I mounted mine in the forward position, but I've already done that. So what we'll do now is we'll just go ahead and get started with replacing them. You'll see it just doesn't take very long at all. It's pretty easy. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the headlight bezel straps just to make a little bit more room for myself when I'm working around the front of the bike here. Just gives a little bit more flexibility. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove the handlebar caps off of the bike. And I'm going to set them aside in the order that they came off on, left and right. So there's one, remove the other. Set them aside. Okay, so now I'm just going to take the bar, kind of set it up off in front of the little display thing here, and going to put the caps back on just kind of loosely, just kind of thread it in there a little bit. And I'm going to grab my Rox bar risers and slip them into the caps, snug it down a little bit so they have a little bit of grip on them. Okay, now I'll take the Allen key bolts out of the caps. Set the handlebars back into caps. And put the caps back on. Now the cables, at least on my bike, one thing I've found is that the clutch cable is rather snug. So what I'm going to end up doing is unhooking it from the little routing or the little keeper that it's on and routing it behind the headlight switch right here. And that gives it a little bit more room, and so I don't have the cable stretch. All right, so I'm going to line this up a little bit, grab my 4mm Allen wrench, or correction, 5mm, and I'm going to snug these down. I am going to end up loosening them again though, because I have to find the right position for these bar risers in the original handlebar clamps, and then I'll loosen them up and I'll reposition the handlebars to where I want them. Okay, so now that I've got those snugged up, I'm going to try to get for me, I want the risers about straight up and down with the forks. And once I've got that, then I will grab my 10mm wrench and tighten down the handlebar clamps onto the ROX bar risers. Now that that's done, what I'm going to do is adjust my handlebars, get them into the position that I want them in for riding, roughly. And I'd say it's probably right about there. Make sure that they're centered, which looks good. And then snug down the caps on the risers. Okay, as I was saying before, there's a problem with the clutch cable. As you can see with the bars turned all the way to the right, hopefully you can see this on the video, but the cable here is really, really snug, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to move the cable routing. It's routed behind the headlight switch here through a little keeper, okay? So I'm just going to pop that keeper off and move the cable around to the front side of that, okay? And that gives it a lot of extra play, so I'm not worried about breaking the cable now or pulling it loose. Okay, so once you got all that done, just don't forget to put the straps back on your headlight bezel so it's not flopping around, but that's basically all there is to putting in some bar risers on the KTM. I think it's going to work out really nicely. It's going to give me a lot more control over the bike, and I think it's going to be a really worthwhile addition to the bike. So I hope everybody enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching.